Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this SmileCare Fingertip Pulse Oximeter about a week and a half ago in exchange for a review, and it's exactly what I'm doing. So this is the SmileCare, there's the actual model number SO2W. This is what you get inside. Like I said, I have had it for about a week now, and I have used it, but I want to show you what you get in the box. You do get some pretty good instructions here. They're in a couple different languages, but you can actually see, it'll actually tell you all about how to load it up, how to use it, all the operation instructions. You get a little quality certificate. That's great. Just making sure it's high quality. But then here's the actual uh, oximeter. Uh, it has a little lanyard you can put on this. I actually put this on. I have not yet taken the screen off. I wanted to save that kind of for the video, so I'll do that now. Or the little protective plastic here. Here you go. Ooh, okay, cool. And then it does use two AAA batteries, and these are included with it. So that's kind of nice. It does include the AAA batteries right off the bat. You can always get your own, get new ones if you need to, but they're really easy to pop in and out and change. And this is all there is to it. There's not really a whole lot to it, but it works pretty well. So here it is. Nice part about it, it's really super simple operation. There are no buttons at all, absolutely none. Once you put the batteries in, you're good to go. And all you do is you open it up and you put your finger in there and you give it a moment. And there you go. And now it's reading. I'll give it a sec. And that's it. There you go. There's my blood oxygen level, and then there's my pulse rate. And you can see the little graph going up and down, kind of just showing my pulse rate. And that's all there is to it. It's nice and large. You can see that you can see it from multiple angles. It's bright. It's really easy to read. This is not technically a medical grade device, but I did happen to have it at the doctor's office late last week. And I went ahead and I pulled it out and I said, hey, can I go ahead and test this? They said, sure. And this was within 1 point of each. I did it twice, I did it 2 different times, and it was very accurate. So yeah, this is good for athletes. This is good if just you're kind of curious about what your blood oxygen level is, what your pulse rate is. This actually works pretty well. Once you pull your fingers out of it and you put it down, you'll see it says up, nothing there. And then after a few moments, after not being used, it will go ahead and turn itself off. And there we go. Now it's off. I want to show you the accuracy here. This is my SmileCare versus my Apple Watch. And you can see they are really, really close with the pulse. I'm just 2 beats away. Up, there we go. The Apple went ahead and caught up to it. Now SmileCare says 89, and Apple eventually says 89. The SmileCare actually picks up my pulse changes faster than my Apple Watch. This is probably polling every second or so. My Apple Watch is probably doing it every 5 or 10 seconds. So this is actually a little faster of a meter reader than my Apple Watch. The SmileCare will go ahead and blink numbers if the numbers are outside of normal ranges. So that's kind of nice. You don't have to know exactly what numbers those are. The manual does talk about the high range and low ranges. But if you have any problems with either one of these numbers, it will blink to kind of let you know, hey, you have to look into this. Just be careful. So overall, yeah, I'm really impressed with this. This is nice and simple to use. The SmileCare oximeter is just, it's really, really helpful. It'd be great for older people who don't want to deal with complex devices. It would be great for anyone who just wants a quick reading and doesn't have to have a lot of bells and whistles. This is really nice. I really like it.